Latest Facebook marketing frequently asked questions. Are Facebook marketing and Facebook advertising the same? Marketing and advertising are two different promotional methods, and in fact, you can say that advertising is a marketing strategy. So when you talk about Facebook marketing, you refer to the collection of methods and strategies used to raise awareness about the existence of a brand or a business in the Facebook platform. Facebook advertising, on the other hand, is the use of direct, paid methods to advertise a brand or business in the Facebook platform. When is it right to promote your business on Facebook? The right moment to start promoting your business on Facebook is now, as soon as you can if you haven't started yet. And this is because Facebook is still the most visited, most popular social media site in the world. Is there a better platform for marketing than Facebook? In terms of features and flexibility, Facebook is the best platform for marketing. What you have to find out, though, is whether your audience is using Facebook and not another platform. If you come into Facebook looking for the wrong audience, you might get poor results. Is it true that Facebook engagement is declining? Not true at all. That perception comes from poor audience targeting. When marketers are not sure about how to properly narrow down their target audiences, they try to reach everyone. What happens next is that they actually get low engagement, and they end up thinking that all engagement overall is the same. When is it a good time to start running Facebook ads? This depends on the stage you are in and your budget. If you are building an audience in the awareness stage, then it's safe to test a reach ad to see how people that see your ad in the timeline react. On the other hand, if you are on Facebook simply to promote a product, you can benefit from running an awareness campaign to showcase the product that you want to promote. In these cases, you won't need to build momentum with content just to promote your product. How do you know when ads are profitable? You'll know if an ad is profitable if you get your ad spend back. Not only that, but you also have to be able to put that spend back on a new campaign and to keep a profit, or to increase your ad spend with that profit. That's how you know when an ad is profitable. Are Facebook ads better than ads on other platforms? The advantage of Facebook ads is that they let you target people by the interests in their profile. This is a direct targeting method not available on other platforms and helps you reach customers that are very qualified from the get-go. What can you do if you're not capturing enough leads through your sign-up tab? If you're having trouble capturing leads through sign-up tab, it might be because it isn't visible enough. Our recommendation here is to move the sign-up tab to a top spot in the tab menu. Another option is to integrate a sign-up page using the Add a Button feature in your page, selecting Sign-up, and adding your sign-up form URL. What outside marketing strategy works well with Facebook marketing? Cross-posting is a good strategy that you can try. Cross-posting is simply to repurpose your Facebook posts on other platforms. What you do is to copy the text from a Facebook post and paste it on another platform. Then you optimize it for that platform, for example, Twitter, by shortening the text and adding hashtags at the end of the post. What tools can help you power up your Facebook marketing efforts? While you find everything you need inside Facebook, some of our recommendations would include a free editing tool such as Canva to help you create better images for your posts, a social posting and scheduler such as Hootsuite, and an advanced Facebook ads editor such as Ad Espresso.